Hi guys. Yeah. Welcome back to my vlog. So for today's video, we have a shoot for today. We are here at Al Quwain. Huwag silent. May narinig ka pang talent pinalalaman. Hindi na okay. If you will go get closer, yeah, CJ will tell you. For today's video, andito kami ngayon ulit sa Al Quwain Beach. Second day. Day 2 today.
Bye! Alin? Kotse?
Bye, Ma'am si Jaja.
Bye, Lee!
Ingat sa pag-uwi.
Ay, may work pa.
Pag-drive,
May
ha?
work pa.
Hello, I am Lee. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a photographer based in Dubai.
Kaya, I keep yan.
Yan ay email lang.
Mini video ba to? Oo.
Hi guys. Yes. Welcome back to my vlog. Yeah, finally, andito na kami sa Al Quwain. So, meron kami shoot for today. Ayan. Hindi ko sila pwedeng ipakita. Yeah, we're setting up for today's photo shoot, video shoot. Ito. Ano pa kailangan? Wala na kailangan kunin? Okay. Guys, hi Ma'am si Jaja.
Ay, may ano pala.
Siyempre, bulag-bulagan tayo for today's video.
Andyan lang sa ano, sa taas.
Ganyan man namin yung mamaya. Maganyan. Kasi
Pero parang medyo...
Hi guys. Yeah. Welcome back to my vlog. So for today's video, we have a shoot for today. We are here at Al Quwain. Huwag silent. May narinig ka pang talent pinalalaman. Hi to my vlog.
introduce yourself.
Hi, this is Zara, and we are here today to shoot a very beautiful shoot just for you guys. And it's gonna be with horses, beautiful team, beautiful agency. We are just so happy to be here. So my Instagram is Fatima Zahra Airport, but everyone is calling me Zara. I have two names. Merci.
Yeah, we are here at Al Quwain. Yes. Oh, okay lang. Ako din mamaya, puno na to ng buhangin. Hello guys, I'm CJ. CJ
Hindi from Aliga.
Kaya yan sa mga malulupit na mga videographer dito sa UAE. Yes. Grabe, no? Natry mo na yun si RD. Takot? Oo. Safe naman. Safe. Marami naman kayong video. Oo. Oh, yan na. Oh.
Okay na. CS. CS. Okay na. Wala si Madam.
Oh. Thank you, Juan. Say hi. Oh, you. Tell your Instagram.
Hi guys, how are you? I'm from Pauletti. Pauletti.Juan.
Yeah, just say hi. Say hi. Thank you. Thank you, madam. Beauty shot now.
I'm checking if should I go closer.
Ay, hindi na. Okay. If you will go get closer, yeah, CJ will call you.
A little bit. Okay.
For today's video, andito kami ngayon ulit sa Al Quoin Beach. Yes. Second day. Po. Yung microphone eh. Kaya nga eh. Yeah, day 2.
Day 2. Today.
Hello. Hello po.
Introduce yourself.
Hello. Soy Juan Pauletti de Argentina y estamos acá haciendo mi shooting.
In English.
Hello, hi, how are you? I'm Juan Pauletti from Argentina. I'm 27 years old, and this is what we're doing. Some
What are you
shooting,
doing?
happy, here,
Enjoy.
enjoying, having coffee, having some chicken here. Lee. How was the shoot? Good?
Yeah, it was good, of course.
You got some nice shots?
Yeah, I hope.
Good, good.
Thank you, Juan. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you guys.
Hey,
Big kiss to everybody.
please tell them. Please subscribe. Please like and share.
Please subscribe to his amazing, wonderful channel, please.
Thank you, Juan. I will put your Instagram.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice.
What
Just follow my
What you're doing?
Instagram. Assisting the assistant.
Utang ka talaga, busy. Ano
Joke lang, ito na.
Grabe, ang lino ng sinabi niya doon. Right?
Yeah, no, this is CJ. So, I'm freelance videographer and video editor. Yeah, check nyo na lang din yung IG ko. Kahit hindi ako sikat. Check nyo na, CJ Santos Films.
Ilalagay ko yung si screen. Yeah. Okay, please follow him. One of the best
Puro lang
videographer
kami
in the
dalawa.
market. Just enjoy. Halika na tabi. See, one of the pretty, ah. Pila-pil mo naman.
Dali oh.
Ngay, joke lang.
This is guy, wala pang ligo.
Guys, wala pang ligo. Naligo kagabi.
Madali, introduce mo yung sarili. Madali.
My name is Gail Jagmis. I live in Alnara. Ang wait lang. Biglang humangin nung ako na. And my
Ang ganda pa naman ng background mo.
Gail Jagmis. Follow me.
Follow
Pero follow ba?
your Instagram.
Instagram Gail Jagmis.
Ano daw?
Gail Jagmis.
Oh,
Hello guys, welcome to my live.
Welcome to my vlog.
Yeah.
Actually, my life is full of vlog. Full of chismis.
You're do vlogging ba?
No, I know. Pero there's a lot of people chismis.
Oh, naririnig niyo yung guys? Oh, shoutout pala kay
Dito. Sino?
Ay! Chismis yun namin. Parang isang taon na kong
Sorry ka, naka-record yan.
laman ng balita.
May ganyan lang pag maganda. So, yun na nga guys. It's our second day here in Umalquain.
Sabi ko sa kanya, kaya wala siyang chismis sa buhay.
Mm.
Si Jason.
Ah.
Kasi pangit daw.
Day off.
Oh my god, this is not a part of the scam. What are you doing? I don't understand.
Oh no.
He's a bad boy.
Oh, sa Indian.
You want massage, you want lady boy. Only 500 bed.
Oh, Thailander naman yan.
You want massage, you want lady boy. Lady boy you want.
Just enjoy. Uwi ka na? Oh, mag-hike, mag-bike ka muna rin. Nasaan ba?
Uy, ang ganda ng ang ganda ng Bye, Allen. Kotse.
Bye, ma'am si Jaja.
Bye, Lee!
Ingat sa pag-uwi.
Ay, may work pa.
Pag-drive,
May
ha?
work pa.
Ingat, ingat.
Doon ka nung sasakyan.
That's it, guys. Ayun, si ma'am si Jaja. Oh. Yayamanin. Yun yung sakyan niya. You still, you have a work in Abu Dhabi? So, okay guys, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So please support my journey as a photographer here, as a new vlogger. Medyo nahihirapan ako isabay talaga yung vlog at trabaho at the same time, especially pag season ng event, parang ganyan. So sa dami ng editing, parang hindi ko kayang isabay yung editing ng vlog. Kaya I hope makita ko ng editor para sa vlog ko. Yung pasok muna sa budget kasi nag-start pa lang ako sa vlog. So I hope na may makita akong editor sa Pilipinas. So na makakatulong sa akin para tuloy-tuloy na yung pag-shoot ko ng vlog. So yun nga guys, thank you so much for supporting me. Sa mga subscriber ko, sa mga bago ko pala subscribers, so thank you so much for supporting me. Matatapos na kami, so balik na kami ng Dubai mamaya. So ayan, sa taas. Ayan. Wait, asan na? Ayan, ang ganda. Sa mga gusto maka-experience nito, di ko alam kung anong tawag dito eh. Comment kung ano yung tawag dito. So sa mga gustong maka-experience ng ganun, Alcoin. So anyway. Bye guys. So back to our hotel, Palma Beach Resort. So yun na nga guys. Hi Ma'am Shirayan. Ang ganda no? So yan, pabalik na kami. After nang check out, diretso na kami ng Dubai. So yun na nga guys. Thank you for watching.